In this video, we are learning about sourcing products and setting competitive prices are crucial steps in dropshipping to ensure profitability and attract customers. Here's an explanation of why and how to source products and set competitive prices. Why source products? Diverse product selection. Sourcing a wide range of products allows you to cater to different customer preferences and increase your chances of making sales. Quality control. By sourcing products yourself, you have control over the quality and can ensure that you are offering high-value items to your customers. Supplier reliability. Directly sourcing products enables you to establish relationships with reliable suppliers who can consistently fulfill orders and provide timely shipping. How to source products. Research suppliers. Look for suppliers through various channels such as online directories, trade shows, or contacting manufacturers directly. Consider factors like product quality, reliability, shipping options, and pricing when evaluating potential suppliers. Sample products. Before committing to a supplier, order samples to assess product quality, packaging, and shipping times. This will help you make informed decisions about the products you want to offer. Supplier negotiations. Negotiate pricing, discounts, and shipping terms with suppliers to ensure competitive pricing and favorable terms for your business. Consider domestic and international options. Depending on your target market and the products you're selling, evaluate the benefits of sourcing products locally or from international suppliers. Domestic sourcing may offer faster shipping, while international sourcing can provide cost advantages. Maintain supplier relationships. Cultivate positive relationships with your suppliers by communicating effectively, providing feedback, and addressing any issues promptly. Building strong relationships can lead to better pricing, priority handling, and improved cooperation. How to set competitive prices. Calculate costs. Consider all costs associated with the product, including the purchase price, shipping fees, packaging materials, and any applicable taxes or fees. Factor in your desired profit margin as well. Analyze the market, research similar products and their pricing on Amazon and other marketplaces. Take into account the prices set by your competitors to ensure your prices are competitive. Offer value. Look for ways to differentiate your products or add value to your customers. This can include providing superior customer service, offering bundles or special promotions, or emphasizing unique product features. Regularly monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor your pricing strategy and performance. Analyze customer feedback, sales data, and market trends to make adjustments when necessary. Experiment with pricing strategies like discounts, sales, or volume pricing to optimize your sales and profit margins. By carefully sourcing products and setting competitive prices, you can attract customers, remain profitable, and build a successful dropshipping business.